Hello everyone. If you are part of the family, welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. As you guys can see by the title, this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I change my nose ring from a hoop to a corkscrew. Yeah, and so I usually like leaving a hoop for a little bit, for a few months, and then I feel like I get tired of it, and then I switch over to a stud. And then I could either do like a solid gold stud, or I've done like a little gem or a little crystal. But for today's video, I'm actually going to be changing it to or swapping it for a gold little stud. And so I'm going to show you now what it looks like. So that is the end of it. It's really small and minimal. And then the other side is the corkscrew, just like that. So this one, since I wanted the hoop to be a little more snug to the nares or to my nose, I kind of had to separate them and then move them in a little bit to kind of close it and make it a smaller circle. And so that's what we see here. That's what I have here. Well, I guess it's not too obvious, but it's kind of what I have going on here. So we're gonna go ahead and separate it. Let's see. They're separate. You can do a little gap right there. And we're gonna go ahead and just thread it out. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean the site real well. Get all that makeup. All right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and insert it now. I have it here in my fingers. Sometimes I use my fingers, sometimes I use the tweezers. But what we wanna do is just thread the ending where it's sharp into the hole. Here we go, it's kind of in. So I'm pushing into, I'm digging into. There we go. Oh, look how that went in. Okay, so literally what I did was, this was the hole. Here you have the corkscrew. You want to get it in enough to where you can push it all the way in so it stays. And what I love about the corkscrew is that it's literally like an anchor that you have on your nose to hold on to. And I feel like it curves, and so it holds on more efficient. I've tried the L-shape one, I've tried the bone-shaped end, and the bone-shaped one I like because it's easier to insert. The L-shape, I feel like it's also easy somewhat hold on, but I've had it where like my hair gets caught in my ear, my nose ring, and then it'll pull it out easier. But with the corkscrew, I feel like it really does hold on easier. So right now, like I'm pulling on it, and I have to pull on it a lot for it to even come out. I feel like it holds on better, in my opinion. So that's what it looks like. All right, guys, so that's about it. This is the final look. Like I said, sometimes I'm in the mood for a hoop. Sometimes I want something just a little more minimal, like a little stud. And so, yeah, that's kind of what I was in the mood for today. And so I felt like turning on my camera and recording how I change it and how I insert my corkscrew. It's really not too much different than the L shape and the bone shape either. I feel like this one, you do have to work a little harder to get it in, but it still wasn't all that bad. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are not already a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Join the family. We have tons of fun here. I upload about not just nose ring, but also I do Bible studies, I do makeup, I do reviews, I do vlogs, I do recipes, I do a little bit of everything. And it's like my own little world, and you guys are more than welcome to join. Yeah, if you guys are on social media, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram handler. I will put it here below, or if not, it will be in the description box so you guys can check it out. And so go ahead and follow me there. And lastly, if you guys have any prayer requests, go ahead and contact me either through my email or through Instagram message or Facebook Messenger, and I'll I'll go ahead and pray for you all. So, all right, that's about it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.